Yes, morning, everyone. Happy New Week. Happy New Week to everyone. The ennaku z'omwezi 22 zayo just ennaku 8 kandi kw'omwezi gw'omukaaga. Tegereze omwaka gugenderera tuyingira half of the year. Bw'oba olina bye wategeka tandika okwebalabalamu. We can subire, we had a good week. Lero tugenda kuba tunoonya we can get some trades Monday. Kusokera ddala katulabe ku mawulire tugenda kuba tunoonya Gbpjpy, Euro USD ne gold. Oba olinayo pair gye wandyagadde tutunuulireko, feel free commenting okutypinga mu chat pair ki gye wandyagadde tutunuulireko. But hope all is well. Abafunye ebirungi mu wiiki katusubire wiiki ewedde yabadde nnungi. N'abafunyemu ebizibu sabe Mukama yasobola yokka okukyusa embeera. Naawe wennyini tewali ajja kukutaasa, especially mu trading. Sajja omu yagamba it is ye business esinga okubeera lonely. Bw'oteefaako olinawo ogenda kyuka. Okay, bwe tutunuulira wiiki okutandika ande leero tewaliyo nnyo kyamaanyi. Tewaliyo mawulire gonna mande. Tulabika tuyinza okufuna acquired day okuba nga we can continue either with the consolidation kale ne kabeera nga volume mutono, naye kyendabye ebiseera ebimu watabayo mawulire oba maybe nga tugambe bank holiday ezimu naddala waliyo mawulire tewaliyo waliyo bank holidays. Manyi lwaki kiba kuki sometimes oyinza okukozesa nange bump za 150 pips waliyo reason. So sometimes olina okubeera mu katale ogamba nti leero tewaliyo mawulire okwesanga nga kike ekoze move ennene either with drop lower oba ne correcting this house move twabadde nayo. Genda kutunuulira akatale nga bwe kabadde tulabe engeri ki wiiki bwe yaendinze naffe engeri tuyinza okukozesa that opportunity. Tuesday wajja kubayo katulabe wiiki bweyinza okutambula. Waliyo maybe BMI eringa CPI ndowooza era bwetyo, naye nga CPI waba eri bagiyita consumer price index producer man oba price era mu naye mainly egenda kubanga yakutinga euro. Can go to the order purchasing managers index tegeera bulungi tegeeza naye kimanyi greater for economy neno omanya nti purchasing good prices about prices. Then ne pound nayo PMI yaliyo encha. Then Wednesday tulaba New Zealand spreads. And again over nayo interest rates we hope to increase by 25 basis points 4.25%. So New Zealand they are expecting higher numbers. Tegeeza bw'oba ogira wandibadde buying a New Zealand dollar literally meaning USD that is the sell nendala you just check out naye nga they are expecting higher higher interest rates. It is at least pump the New Zealand dollar. Then CPI pound yen nayo aliyo ku Lwokusatu, right? Pound trading anyo pound yen kati ndaba amawulire aga pound pound. So in a CPI yatuya and they are expecting we are expecting a little bit lower numbers. The lower numbers kitegeeza inflation bamusuubira okukkamuko, like inflation numbers bazisuubira okukkamuko. So they are expecting lower numbers. Kyandibadde kirungi eri pound naye literally bw'otunuulira ku gundi ku markings waneeno bajja kugamba greater good for the economy, as you see, greater than the forecast is good for the currency. Nti singa prices zirinnya kiba kirungi naye nga literally kibeera bad kubanga tuli inflationary state, high prices essaawa zino. Kati ate neera ebintu ebiraga nti bibadde byeyongera yakitegeeza we are in May last year, prices zaali wagguluko 10%. By May this year tegeeza prices ziraga nti zijja kuba lowako emiwendo gy'ebintu giseemu. That is that year. So this is good for the economy naye it is bad. Kitegeeza kineeno kigenda kuba on the short term bw'oba scalpinga kusaawa tugeze ku Lwokusatu ku makya ssaawa 3 tujja kubaako ndowooza by that time. Kitegeeza wandibadde you're selling pound naye ate explanation gye banajjayo kubanga badde bongeza interest rates okulaba nga emiwendo gy'ebintu gikka. Kati bwe babanga emiwendo gy'ebintu giraga nti kikka, that may be good for the economy, but ebyo bijja kujja mu interpretation. Bw'oba oyagala trading amawulire kyandibadde kuselinga pound. Kitegeeza you're selling pound yen, you're selling pound USD, you're selling zonna pay okujjako euro pound. That is what you can buy. Trading amawulire essaawa eyo mu ddakiika ku ssaawa 3 n'eddakiika mu eyo hours okay amawulire better n'obanga you're selling according to that. So the numbers come out babe basuubira always kitegeeza pound egenda kubeera weak. The numbers zijja nga ziri more than this, the 9 point something, 8.5, anything above 8.2% ijja kubeera kirungi for pound. Kitegeeza pound ejja kubeera pumpinga, pound yen epumpinga, zonna pound bases, pound yen, pound US dollar, pound New Zealand dollar, pound waliyo pound New Zealand dollar. Eyo kijja kuba already New Zealand dollar mawulire gayo gabeera gawedde ssaawa 11. Kitegeeza gaba gamaze okukola effect. Kati ganeeno bwe gajja gayinza okuleeta reversal oba ne galeeta correction liquidity. Try meaning and singa amawulire gajja nga gali positive bwe tukiraba aneeno positive for New Zealand dollar nga bwe bakisuubira nti 5.5% kitegeeza increases by 25 basis points. Tuyinza okulaba waneeno nga pound New Zealand dollar edropinga, pound Gbpjpy like guys morning once again obanga olupeyinzeeko buzeeko gamba morning gamba hello bulireko weekend bwe yabadde, and if you want pair yonna okugitunuulirako you can type in the chat. So pound New Zealand, sorry, Gbpjpy New Zealand dollar, campaign pound New Zealand dollar. So amawulire baga anticipating okubeera positive for pound New Zealand dollar. Kitegeeza eno peya eri like okudropinga ku price neba eriko ku Wednesday. Simanyi saa zineeno byeriko naye ngezaako kuwa perspective. You can focus. I used to trade like this. In case waliwo gaaliwo tugeze amawulire ku pair oba ku currency, then I could look at different pairs eyo currency, tugeze New Zealand dollar. Nenzija zonna nenzanalyze nga AUD New Zealand dollar, USD New Zealand dollar, New Zealand Gbpjpy, nendaba eriwo erina structure ennungi, naddala structure eri mu area of interest. Then neninda rejection candles, then I enter. So this is now I'm expecting nti geze ku Rocksat ku macha New Zealand dollar ejja kuba emaze okukola ebyayo. But if the news zijjanga ziri positive eri dollar, like eri pound, amawulire ne gajjanga gali positive, numbers ne zijjanga ziri more than 8.25, 8.2, inflation numbers ne zijjanga ziri waggulu ko ziyinza okuba 9 oba 8.5, 8.6, and anything above 8.2 kijja kubeera positive eri pound. On the short term, ng'ogyeko biri ebyokwanalyizinga biba bitegeeza ki inflationary situation biki. Now we are looking at the exact point, amawulire bwe gaba gaze essaawa eyo yennyini bw'oyagala ga trading, oba before 5 minutes, 10 minutes. So we expect pound okubeera strong, meaning tuli likely okufuna pullback. We are likely to get a pullback. Moment. Katono. Yes. Okay. So sorry for that. I had some emergency call. So what we are saying that if pound ebeera n'amawulire agali positive, tuli likely okwongera okulaba nga maybe we correct that move yeneeba ekoze New Zealand dollar, oba nga tukola at least a bit of a retrace, then later netwongera okupushinga lower. That is what we are expecting. That is what we are likely bwe tuba nga tufunye amawulire bwe gatyo. So bwe tweyongerayo, let me first look at the chart before we continue. Okay, morning, Damba Enosh, sorry, Damba, Nanda Made, King Jonah, Charles Yuko, Forex Academy. Okay. So tunulira ki kiyinza okyusa wiiki bw'eneeba etambula. Tulinayo ku Lwokusatu lwennyini after CPI tulinayo Governor, Bank of England Governor Bailey agenda kuba ayogera, then tulinayo neera agenda kwogera. So Wednesday eyinza okuba olunaku olungi okubeera active naddala eri pound, aba trading pound pairs. Then ku Thursday tulinayo unemployment claims quarter to quarter. Unemployment claims basuubira okweyongera. However, tubadde tulabanga unemployment claims zikendeera. Last time the numbers were lower than what they were expecting. They expected high numbers, then ne bafuna lower numbers. I believe ne ku luno tuyinza okwongera ofuna lower numbers as unemployment. Jukira tugenda mu week eddako omwezi ogujja ninayo interest rates FMC omwezi ogujja. Ensuubira nti balina okulaba nga either bagezaako okutunuulira, simanyi naye nga kyensuubira nti ziyinza okubeera target ennene okubanga batinkalinga ne numbers ezo. So literally as it is loading, inayo unemployment numbers ensuubira nti ziri wagguluko okusinziira ku kye ziyinza okubeera. I believe zijja kubeera less than 25,000 almost 24,9 I believe zijja kubeera less than that. So on Friday tulinayo kwa PCE ebisinga ndowooza biri tebibadde bibi. We shall see. Amawulire week tegenda kubeera ambi mpaka next week we tulinayo NFP ndowooza ne ADP. So literally that is what we are having this week. Okusookera ddala katulabe, last Friday we had some good trades. Abaliko ku stream we had some good trades. Okusookera ddala ku GJ twali anticipating sales nga tuli order block, the 4H order block. I expected a pullback here naye yayitawoko peak liquidity, then netulyoka to dropping at least to target area. I've not yet changed the charts. So twali tusuubira pullback, a bigger pullback. Then we had a breakout, and those about taking eno breakout naye teyali mbi kubanga twagamba nti at least to take a trade in the breakout one. Yeah. Wait for a breakout, and we had a good breakout and a retest. So for those abafuna breakout eno, then if you made some money last week, the Friday or Thursday, because week teyali mbi nnyo okusinziira ku predictions we had this breakout. Then of course if you get such a breakout, then mba njagala nnyo a retest first. Saagala breakout bweti ngifuna mba njagala retest wano oba mu order block, something like this, the continuation mba njagala, and that is what it did. Had a good breakout. Omuntu yenna buying wano eno tebeera good strategy nungi. Bwe yeeyongerayo n'egenda, it is okay, unless you anticipate a breakout cutting eno, if pay something like this, eba nungi. So rather than buying here, wait for a pullback, then for a continuation. And it did that. We had a pullback, then maybe you could have a buy. This is it up Obango Gizewaneno naye after that pullback kyandibadde kirungi, then you can enter. Nga tumaze okukola pullback, because tumanya pullback weneekola, then bwe tu breaking above, kubanga tukyayinza okulaba nga tweyongererayo ddala wansi. Tumanyi oyinza okulaba prices nezeeyongera dropping. If you buy as here at stops noziteekaano eno, kati oyinza okulaba nga ate price ekomawo waneeno, maybe ne reactingira waneeno. Kati kibeera kirungi nnyo at least when you're entering a trade, olinde pullback, then if it goes lower, then wait for weakness. Abe trading abe tumanyi how to enter on this 3 bar compared to this deeper pullback. So here you could have just entered as price moved up, something like this. So either one, or if we make a lower gondi ne twongera okudropinga, then you could wait for weakness mu ba sellers for a continuation. Na pin bio sagala nnyo engulfing candles as long as I get a pin bar. Yeah, for me I like to enter on that. Kati ne bwandiyingiridde wano something like that tandibadde kikola sense. Singa eba ekoze pullback ennene bwedi on the breakout oba ku kweno omaze okufuna engulfing candle. So, but here it didn't do that. It continued after this breakout and the retest. Then yasobola okufuna entry. You had that at least simanyi we yakoma naye then nekola pullback, but at least you had that breakout. For me, nalis nga bwe nagaa nali noonya sales ku GJ twali mu supply zone. I didn't take any buy. So after this, we had a fake out, picking liquidity to higher time frame, then netulyoka rejecting back, and we were expecting at least to retest this. So that is what we, for me, I didn't take this. I think I took a small lot Queno trade as we were breaking below here on the 15 minutes. I remember I took some trade, yeah, on the 15 minutes because we had a breakout. Change of character, anything, something like this. We had a choke here. Then I retest in the order block. Then I entered here, not taking a few trades here, and I closed as this Yajang retesting, taking out this low raise. We were taking out liquidity. We were taking a liquidity. I always take some partials, demand mu trade. Data target young. So we were breaking out, change of character, and we closed below this level. This level yali resistance, net breaking and net faking out, net come out, net closing up back. I waited for a rejection here. At the end of the breaking up below, this is where I entered from my trade. I thought I entered some nascaling in Yabalaba Gundian because I posted this. Then I took some partials here. Then I let Gundia Singer as a closing run because we are approaching a demand zone. That is what Friday was on GJ. The was Neno. That is the trade Jewandi Bado taking after a rejection, Jukira Tulim supply, then it closing the back to Komaumu order block after failing to take buy, then we have taken. That is what I did. But right now, it ended up hitting the target over at least order block. So as neno tuli mu consolidation, we are just consolidating. Tugambye tewaliyo mawulire. We could expect volume okweyongerawo mu dakiika ezijja, naye if I'm to take out this, if I'm to take this trade, nandyagadde taking maybe nandyagadde taking out this inducement, this liquidity right now. Not taking out that liquidity, then need to pushing a little bit, either of filling this imbalance or a continuation down. Tuchali mu supply zone. Tetuna confirming we still have this liquidity. Maybe we could continue lower. This is what I'm expecting. GJ coming into this supply, the smaller time frame, higher time frame to the supply. Then we could expect more rejections. In that taking out this low, this high, then into this supply zone, this order block, wanga neno bolaba wetwava netu dropping harder. Then maybe even when we still have this liquidity nga wetwagira mu last week, I believe we are accumulating more liquidity, the buy side liquidity, which is likely to be taken out. Okweyongera wansi nandibadde njagala nnyo to first take out this low to this order block, maybe for a buy, for continue to buy, but right now nandi nonya sales to kijja nonya sales. So we yeyongerayo ne kola new high, then maybe we break above and retest and hold. Waneno tetwa holdinga ngatu tujja netukola breakout. Uneno sigenda nonyeza buys, enda kunonya breakout, a retest, and we hold maybe ku order block enebera no ba chizone yone nebera area of interest. Then we continue up, and I will be buying here. But for now, I'm looking for sales, especially Mweno zone after taking out liquidity. I like whenever we take out liquidity, then we continue the other side. So that is what I'm expecting. Then I think GJ Subira. Then let me see the dollar before I continue to euro dollar and gold. Okay. Dollar yali extended recently. Let me go for H. But they so extended, broke out here when major level ya 103, reacting when supply zone here. But this is a major supply zone. Let me use others to read the lines as them. Sagala nyo clogging ekinene nyo wemba nkuba lines mbanjagala on the major support levels nga biri obasatu. Then we expected, it came here, took out this liquidity, reacted mweno order block, about break, a block, anything, but this liquidity zone here. Banga before the alila sell to buy. Then we expected it to hold. Now a bit of rejection, but then dropping harder, retesting for a continuation. So right now, dollar the stronger. We had this, and maybe we could see that Komao Coke retesting this low. Yeah. Level, the dollar index, but so we go retesting, taking out this liquidity. I like price wave and is also taking the liquidity. Whether a confirmation, singa area, a order block, a kone liquidity zone, which we are likely to take out. We can reject from here. Nandiaga the dollar a kolemu pullback. Then maybe mweyo zone oba kweno order block, but I believe mweno zone tuyinza ofunamu a little bit of a bump after retesting. Tuyinza okujja netukola bwe tuti kwambuka oba maybe something like this to this area. So both zones here, Neno and zone another. At least those are the immediate areas when subira dollar. So at least for now, I'm still seeing dollar weakness. I believe Chayinzo Kongero dropping amuko before we continue. Of course, we are bullish. We are bullish unless ngatuze net reacting and then we fail to make a new high. Muzino areas, if we fail to make a new high, over net to picking at this liquidity. So if we come either net fading or call a new high, over net faking at this liquidity and we reject, then it dropping. That is when I will confirm dollar weakness. Like that for now, something like this. Either net taking out this high, over net fading or call a new high, net reacting rano, and we break the level jetunaba to create in the one end. Then that will be a choke, a change of character. So that is how I'm looking at the charts, dollar and pound yen. I mean, dollar, yeah, and pound yen. So bwetubanga dollar tujisubira okubeera week at least leero. At least leero. Maybe tukyali ku support level. I mean, previous support resistance level, now it is support. But I'm expecting dollar kwongera pushing lower before we continue. If we reject, then I'm expecting still a buy on gold for sell. I'm expecting a buy for a sell. Like buy to sell or a push, then it dropping a gold, neku euro, USD. That's okay, gold. Gold, I had a good trade last Friday. Yeah, to a good, at least 200 pips. So this is what we did analyze. As dollar twali tulabanti eriku support level, I mean ku resistance level, twali tusubirayo a bit of a pullback for pound. So what we did, as we said, to subira at least a pullback into this area before we buy, because we are expecting a sell into this level. So literally, but you could not sell as immediate because we had liquidity. Twali tuina neno imbalance, twali tuina levels ezenjaulo. So at least we are expecting to fill this imbalance into the supply zone on the higher time frame. Then net dropping. But you could buy because twali tugamba, let us not buy here. Nga echetwagala to take out this liquidity maneno into the lower time frame order block, which for 30 minutes yali nungi, ne 15 minutes you could analyze. I mean, you could get this. Then when nyini were tagged in, I don't use limit orders, but I entered here order. As I saw a rejection, then netu pumping. At least my target was not as 200 pips, but it was here 100 pips. We trying order block. Then I closed all my positions, and I was taking partials. We were breaking, not taking the partials even here. then we try to can on closing. Did a big push about another 100 pips, at least in ali mazok funezang. So right now ngabe tugambye tusubira gold yo pushing lower. I mean dollar pushing lower, maybe to Chinese or pushing a little bit higher per sell. That dollar kolanga bwe tujisubide bwe tugambye, then that means kijja kuba yo a dropping wanene gold yajja kuba pumping. Then if it gets support neyambuka, then tujja laba sell. That is what I'm expecting. So right now neranga sinaba kugira, we are still in the sell zone. We are still in the sell zone. Olaba at least tuli mu reactingira neno levels nene ebiseera ebisinga zikukomawo ne tuzigira. If you don't consider, simanya price action, certain levels zibeera keep naddala previous liquidity levels acting under resistance over support. So right now tulaba funa tuli ku twakoze breakout eno gyoyinza oyita oba choke, because we had a high, then we made equal lows, we failed to make a new high, then breaking this kubanga eno as this yazene rejecting neno ne holding at this level, we expected a new high from here. We had a support formed, yeah. Then we are expecting at least the price of collage break, retest a new high. With this is a failed high, then netukola lower high, and we made a lower low. Then it means we are likely to come back into this zone of taking out some liquidity here, the continuation to any order block waneno. Tuchayinza no pushing amne tukongerayo naye tuli mu sell zone, at least we could expect a pullback to correct this move. Move jetwaina inene, we have clean traffic here, maybe into our last sell to buy. This is our last sell volume when we ntwala gundi eno yonna region, because this was a break retest, then we had our last sell volume to buy, which is here eno ye sponsoring volume. Wanga, we took out some sell liquidity here, sell side liquidity over by sell side liquidity here. So we are taking out all your liquidity. Oh, twava waneno upselling. Sometimes people bono refining enyo like this. Trade agundi eyinza okujja neno price nekola ki ne reacting ra neno as it did here. Some people where did we get that more? Here in those are neno itu badalika. Eno move eno. Abamu aba refining to the small, bar missing out this trade. So you could expect, for me, I entered mweno this zone na yingirira waneno nera kasitana laba rejection waneno, then I started entering. Nali nsubira okwongera pushing a little bit lower kweno zone, but we just tapped into it, then netongerayo the T. So right now bobo tunulira the same scenario, and Gambia at least you can refine, but even this level out a area of interest. gambe maybe when we come back here and okulaba ngeri ki signs candlesticks zezikuwa watch. So that is gold nandyagadde picking a liquidity after breakout. So nandyagadde pick liquidity, but as long as we come back into this area, I'll be looking for sales. Sales ezo tugambye zigenda kubeera due to weakness on gold. I mean strength on gold. Singa gold yatandika okuinjectinga ku support gyali yakuba tufuna sales mweno area continue lower due to we are making lower highs and lower lows right now. We've made the first lower low, but if we break above, then you look for a retest, a continuation. Nandyagadde to buy, nandyagadde buying it. I always want to buy low. Sagala buying nga prices zili palus. At a higher price. So that is it. Gold, I'll be waiting. Maybe singa to funa breakout waneno. I'll be willing to take small lot. Gabo njagalo buying a low, even I want to sell high. Then, but if we get a breakout area, then maybe I'll look for a sell. I'll look for a sell, but on a small lot. Wanga, we are making equal highs right now. Nandyagadde nnyo to taking out these highs into this area. But if we break out, neraga breakout, sagala nnyo breakouts. But if we get a breakout, maybe we could clear out this traffic. Naye nandyagadde singa tusooka ne tujja ne taking out that low, I mean that high, because this is now equal highs. Attraction for liquidity graph patch like this, then net rejecting now another set like this, then continuation. It again, naye ebiseera ebisinga these impulses are corrected. Twagamba this was an impulse, abasinga tebamanya kyava kuki, naye tusubira okufuna that feedback, this correction through this traffic. Okay, that is good. Ngenda kubanoonya sales mainly ku gold, buys lower mweno zone waneno wansi ano wensonga nga abalabayo. Then Euro USD. Why I like Euro USD, bwebe kuwadde structure nungi, risk reward ebeera nungi nnyo. You can get small pips, 10 pips, no kozesa lot size enneneko kubanga bonde nungi. So bweba ekuwadde risk, I mean ekuwadde entry, ebiseera ebisinga ekuwa risk reward ennungiko, so you can use a bigger lot size no kozesa entry, I mean no na reward ennungi bwobanga. So meaning 20 pips ku Euro USD zibeera zikuwa 1 to 2 bwoba ofunye 10 pip stops. So for example, if I get this entry here, that encourages the nera bobera if you're a newbie nga wakatandika kozesa nnyo ku Euro USD, so kane spreads zaayo abeera wansiko. So here waneno wandifunye almost 1 to 2 just ku 30 pips. Bwobanga oyingira nga nze bwenyingira as prices nga ziretracinga already wandibadde ofuna 1 to 3 with 10 pip stops 1 to 2.5. So literally euro USD kyemwagalako ayina spreads ntono, akuwa good risk reward, and you can add a good lot size ng'ate riskinze ekitono. So kyenva njagala okugitunuulira lwakuba I rarely take trades kubanga ogenda okwesanga nga trades zeekola ne gold almost webeera egize formulate liking maturing the trade yen. However, we are seeing a breakout on the scalps. We are seeing a breakout retest. Now tuli mu corrective move. Jukira tugambye eddoola ebadde eri mu bullish. Right now we are correcting this move. Kinene nnyo okugamba nti tuli bullish, maybe nga two breakings out here for a continuation. Ete kitegeeza nti tosobola kuscalpinga this. You can scalp into this area. Now where is our area of interest? This is the area of interest. Bakuba tuli mu gisemperera. So for me, I would sell into this previous demand zone. Now supply, demand to supply. Really support breaking that. This is still our supply zone. So if we don't tap into this area, then nandinonyeza if a buy to sell, something like this. Continuation down to make a new leg for a break of. This is now our new target. This is our objective. So we tap into this area. We still have inner liquidity, and I like it when we get such liquidity. And the other to this area, then for buys, and the other nnyo tumale kola retrace a deeper pullback, then I buy here somewhere here when order block, sponsoring volume. This is the last sell, buy, and waneno ye volume we are taking out this liquidity, which is our sponsoring volume. That is taken out. So we took out liquidity, then pushed up, make new high. Kati eno volume ya valudda wa yatandikira wanene last candle yeno, then we dropped, took out liquidity, then we pushed up. So we are selling to buy, take out liquidity for a continuation. And then if I want to buy, this is my demand zone. Then I got to buying it up. But if we first tap into this, nebeera invalidated. Singa tusooka ne twambuka waggulu ne pushing up into the supply zone, then this will be invalidated. Sijja considering anga buying zone. No. I will then mbangitunuulira to retrace into major supply zones for a continuation. So it is a repricing zone. Continue lower. Yeah, that is what I'm looking at. Now, pairs the tutunuliddeko, think the one about my gold. Naye, I could expect a little bit a pullback. Nandi subide Gambachi. I could expect some. Let me see here. Wawe nandi agadde Euro USD ngenda girinda bulinzi ndabe mu afternoon oba enempa gundi gold ne gold tannamakiwalinga, but we are likely gold yawa better gundi okusinga ku Euro USD. Then tulabe pound yen. Pound yen. Okay, I think pound yen will be better. Look at a pound yen. I will look for sales if we break below. If we break below, pound yen a better. But I would love to see it first push up. Yeah, afunye trade one and after picking out liquidity, maybe it is good. Aye nandibadde ninze pound yen ne gold. Gold ali kumpiko sita pound yen ne Euro USD. So the players engendo okubanga ntunulira leero a push up or a drop. Engendo okulinda up a drop. And I know that sales, mainly sales. Simanyi lwaki 90% of my trades zibeera ku sales. The sales zinyanguyira okusinga, but that is it. Okay, akandabe ku chat oza leero tetugenda kubaawo nnyo. With most of subscribers. Yes, guys, like the stream. I'm learning a lot from the channel. Thank you. Online, any online, okay? Any online. Okay. Liking video is like getting ready until we collapse. Kituufu. Manyi oli ne bwakuba essimu ng'atumira awulira munne bamugambye kendeeza nga okuba essimu naye tuba twagala, but you like the stream, guys. Leero tetugenda engeri gyeri Monday. Nandibaddeko naye nyina begenda okuba nyina ku office abagenda okuba banniizeeko waneeno begenda okuba nga njogerako nabo. I would encourage join our Telegram group. It is a free Telegram group. Join our Telegram group, FX Lab. And you know what you guys know FX Lab YouTube. Then also, be careful, never scammers kwebali. The city responsible for any person, city kubira. Siri kuweereza message, private message, siri kusooka kugamba unless ku group. If I send a message ojagisanga ku group unless ngon contactinze, but I cannot contact you first. So bobera mu Telegram group, just know I cannot contact you first. Scammers kwebali abajja okuyita, also be very, very careful for that. But I think kirala tuli likely boboze ku church house. You can come to church house level 7 church house, but you come with the ID. Security retight enaku zino ku bizimbe, you have to come with your identification of kuyingira. so that they can allow you. Yes, so no you can pass by ku office, but nga bwe ngambye enda kuba ninze God taking out this high. Then if I get a rejection, we tu pumping asigenda kuyigira buyingiza olw'okuba taking out high. No, ngenda kufuna rejection, njagala omusumali. I want something like this. I want weakness. Then tuyingire. Naye nga mainly nandyagadde oba nyingire nandyagadde nnyo taking out this liquidity. Nga bwe tulaba waneeno buli lwe taking out liquidity, something like this mu area of interest yebeera high probable trade. Sere ebisinga tukola new laws. Kati ne wano siga taking out this liquidity into this order block, then chances nyingi ez'okudropping into a new. Sigenda kubeerawo kubanga nyina abaninzi already, but I wanted to make this quick analysis. Tandikireko tomanya, but we shall be there. Like, subscribe if you're new. Boba togize bobanga oli waliwo anoonya channel, waliwo anoonya something like this, muyambe gwe okutufinding out. Yamba oyo atamanyi nti waliwo anoonya trading bubi nnyo nga tamanyi channel zakubeera za kusubscribingako. If you subscribe, if you comment, if you like, oyamba oyo gwoyinza okuba tobyetaaga nnyo, naye yamba oyo omuntu anoonya. Yamba naffe tuyambe tusobole okutuusa message eno eri abalala. Okay guys, those leero katukikwasaganye bwe tutyo. Sirabyeyo bibuuzo for now, but that is it. Let us meet inshallah very soon. Kama bw'anaaba ayagadde. I think it was a good stream. Like simanyi oba twetaaga buli short bwe buti 1 hour oba abasinga baagala waliwo agamba ne 1 hour nene twagala 30 minutes oba twetaaga 2 hours tubeere mu chat tunyumirwe tulabe kyekyokola. But all in all, I wish you the best. Let us meet inshallah. Nice week. Plan your trades and trade your plan. Trading tewali agenda kuyamba go weka, but 1 year go struggling, 2 years go struggling is better than 10 years go struggling. You can struggle for 1 year in trading, 2 years, but I promise you 10 years you'll be different if you're consistent and you're persistent. See you guys. Let us meet inshallah next time.